In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of MetaTrader 5. If you need to sign out of your trading account, MetaTrader 5 makes the process fairly simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to find the logout option and safely disconnect your account from the platform. To begin, open the MetaTrader 5 platform. Make sure you're fully on the main terminal screen because that's where the account controls are located. If you've just launched the platform, give it a moment to finish loading so all panels appear correctly. Next, check that the navigator panel is visible on your screen. This panel is important because it contains the list of accounts currently available in MetaTrader 5. If you don't see it right away, you can quickly bring it back by pressing Ctrl and N on your keyboard. You can also open it from the top menu by clicking View, then selecting Navigator. Once it appears, you should see it docked along the side of the interface. After that, look inside the Navigator panel for the Accounts section. Click the plus sign next to Accounts to expand it. This will display your active profile and any account entries associated with the platform. Expanding this section is what allows you to access the account you want to sign out from. Now, find your specific account number in that list and right-click on it. Be careful to choose the correct account, especially if you have more than one account connected. Right-clicking opens a context menu with several account-related options, including the one you need to log out. From that menu, select Log Out. As soon as you click it, MetaTrader 5 will log you out of that account. If the logout is successful, the account will no longer appear as actively connected, and you may notice the platform stop receiving live account data for that profile. That's all there is to it. Open MetaTrader 5, make sure the navigator panel is visible, expand the account section, right-click your account number, and choose Logout. As a quick tip, logging out is useful whenever you're switching accounts, using a shared computer, or simply wanting to disconnect from the platform for security reasons. Just make sure you've reviewed any open positions or pending activity before signing out so you don't lose track of what's happening in your account. And that's how to log out of MetaTrader 5.